Hi everyone, my name is Oliver, a 3D printer engineer at MINGDA. Today I will show you MINGDA 1000 Pro and some other features. First of all, we have to download a free software from the official website and download the profiles of different materials to prepare for the latter large-scale 3D printing, such as a carbon bird to be printed today. This model is 80 cm long and is using the new design of the car, one of the parts. The improvement density I chose is 10%. The printing speed is 80 mm 1 second. The reaction distance is 0.3 mm. The spore density is 5%. And the starting nozzle temperature is 320 degrees Celsius. The model printed this time will be made of PA carbon fiber material with gentleness, which is perfect for 3D printer large auto parts. It can be used after post-processing. This is material storage box, which can be opened with a single touch, and the space is enough to hold 3 kg of materials. The appearance looks pretty good. The layering is not so serious, the spore is also easy to remove, and the jamming is not much imaged. It's a great semi-finished product.